Cloud computing. You hear the term everywhere. In tech news, job interviews, and even when saving a Google Doc. But what does it really mean? Let's break it down. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing means storing and accessing data, software, and services over the internet. Instead of your local computer or physical servers, imagine using someone else's supercomputer through the internet only when you need it. Real-world examples: when you upload a file to Google Drive, stream Netflix, or join a Zoom call, you're using cloud services. You're not downloading those videos or storing meetings on your laptop. It's all happening on cloud servers miles away. Why the cloud? So, why use cloud computing? It's faster, scalable, and cost-effective. Instead of spending thousands on infrastructure, companies rent cloud resources and pay only for what they use. It's like switching from owning a car to using Uber. Less responsibility, same destination. The three main types of cloud services let us simplify the three major categories of cloud services. 1. SaaS, software as a service. Apps you use online like Gmail, Google Docs, Canva, or Zoom. 2. PaaS, platform as a service. Tools developers use to build and launch applications without managing servers. Think of it as renting a workshop. 3. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Renting computing power and storage from companies like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Who uses cloud computing? Everyone, from individual creators to massive companies like Netflix, which runs entirely on Amazon Web Services. Startups use it to launch fast, enterprises use it to stay agile, and you use it every time you back up a phone. Security still matters, but here's the catch. Just because it's on the cloud doesn't mean it's automatically secure. You still need strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and smart sharing habits. Cybersecurity is just as important in the cloud as it is on your device. Closing thought: cloud computing powers most of what we do online today, and it's only growing. The more you understand it, the more empowered you are in the digital world. So the next time someone says it's in the cloud, you'll know exactly what that means and why it matters.